I'm pleased to confirm today that eligible pupils across Wales will continue to receive free school meals throughout the school holidays. Ensuring the continuation of free school meal provision has been a key priority for us at the Welsh Government as we have responded to coronavirus. We have worked tirelessly this year to respond to the pandemic and the countless challenges that it has presented, but we have not, and we will not, forget those for who school is about far more than education. We are allocating £11 million for schools and more than £700,000 to support colleges with the equivalent provision for eligible learners. A recent report by the Education Policy Institute showed that Wales has led the way in the United Kingdom in ensuring that our pupils received meals during the pandemic, and I'm pleased that we are leading the way once again today. I hope today's announcement provides some reassurance in these times of great uncertainty, and I would really appreciate it if you could share this message to help make others aware and to let people know that support could be available to them. Diolch yn fawr.